Have you heard about value stream mapping and why it's so important for businesses?
Absolutely. It's a great way to visualize the flow of materials and information for a process.
Right? I've heard it shows all the actions needed to deliver a product or service to a customer.
Exactly. And when you work with EMS Consulting Group, they guide you through a structured workshop.
What steps do they take in these workshops?
First, they help your team identify value streams and select one for analysis. Then, they train the team on lean concepts.
That sounds thorough. What happens next?
They help the team analyze the current state by observing and collecting data, which is crucial for understanding the process.
And then they brainstorm to identify wastes and obstacles, right?
Yes, they also brainstorm initiatives to improve flow and deliver better value to customers.
That's really comprehensive. What do they do after that?
They develop a future state map and a value stream plan with improvement targets and a timeline.
Wow, it seems like they cover everything. Why should someone choose EMS Consulting Group specifically?
They've facilitated hundreds of workshops across various industries, making their experience invaluable for developing a lean future state.
That's impressive. How can someone learn more about their services?
They can visit EMS Consulting Group's website at emsstrategies.com for more information.